Welcome to the sixth session of C programming. Till now, we have studied what is computer program, what is programming language, generations of programming language, and classification of programming language. In classification of programming language, there are three types: low level language, middle level language, and high level language. In today's session, we will study different types of translators. So let's start with this session. So there are three main classification of programming language, that is low level language, middle level language, and high level language. Computer can only understand low level language, that is binary numbers. In that, low language can be directly understood by the computer, which is in binary format. But middle level language and high level language needs to be converted into low level language. So to translate middle level language and high level language into low level language, we need translator. Translators are computer programs that are used to convert instructions into the binary format. There are three types of translator available, that is assembler, second one compiler, and third one interpreter. Assembler is used to convert middle level language, that is assembly language, into low level language, also called as machine code. To convert high level language into low level language, compiler is used. Here, compiler converts all the instructions written in high level language into low level language. The next translator is interpreter. Interpreter works similar to compiler. The difference is that compiler converts all the instructions into low level language at one time, whereas interpreter converts one instruction at a time into low level language. That is, at starting, first instruction is converted into low level language, then after converting first instruction, second instruction will be converted, and so on. Now we will study each translator in detail. The first one is assembler. Assembler is a computer program which is used to translate program written in assembly language into machine language. So whatever instructions written in assembly language needs to be converted into machine language, that is in binary format. So if you have written instruction in assembly language, after writing those instructions, that instruction will be passed to the assembler. After that, assembler will take that instructions and will convert that instructions into machine code, that is in binary format. So now those converted instructions which are in binary format can be directly executed by computer. The translated program or instructions are also called as object program or object code. Apart from converting instructions from assembly language into binary format, assembler is also used to check each instructions if some error is there, and if mistake is found in instructions, assembler will generate automatic message and tells to correct that mistake by giving appropriate message. Now we will see one example. Suppose if we want to add two numbers, and to make addition of any two numbers, we are writing instructions in assembly language. So to write instruction in assembly language, we have to use mnemonics. So to make addition, we have to write instruction add R1, R2. Here add is used for addition, which is in mnemonic format. R1 is the first number and R2 is the second number. So this instruction tells that whatever the values present in R1 and R2 should be added, and the result should be stored in R1. So as you know, whatever instructions you have written using assembly language are not in machine code or in binary format, that is in zeros and ones. So the instruction which you have written, that is add R1, R2, cannot be executed directly by computer. It should be in binary format. So to convert this instruction into binary format, we will use assembler. So after using assembler, all the instructions written in assembly language will be converted into binary format, and then that binary format can be easily executed by computer and will give you the result based on instruction which you have given. For example, the value of R is 6 and the value of R2 is 3. So in binary format, 6 will be represented as 0, 1, 1, 0, and 3 will be represented as 0, 0, 1, 1. And the mnemonic code, that is add, will be represented as 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So when you pass this instruction, that is add R1, R2 to the assembler, it will be converted into binary format, and that instruction after translating by assembler will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 0 0 1 1, and then this binary format computer can understand easily and gives the result by adding these two numbers, and you will get the result, that is 1001 in binary format, which is 9, and that result will be stored in R1. So by using this assembly instruction, you can perform addition of any two numbers. So that's it for today's session. In next session, we will study the second translator, that is compiler, and third translator, that is interpreter.